Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sammy with another hair video. So, new phone, so the video quality should be much better than the one I've been uploading. It has been a while since I've recorded, so this will probably be the newest content you'll see for like a couple months now. Anyways, so I was on TikTok scrolling and I saw the most cutest hair video ever, and I said I wanted to try it. It was from the content creator Kanekolon. Here's the video. As you can see in her video that she had old braids. Basically like me, my hair is basically a month in, and I said I wanted to try it. It looks easy enough for me to do, and y'all know I don't like people in my hair, so I said okay, I'm going to test it out, right? So I even posted the video on my status, and one of my coworkers that, you know, my old coworkers saw it and she's like, yeah, she did it herself and it was easy. So I'm like, okay, if she can do it, let me try it out now. So I already started and I think I really like it so far. It's really cute. So I got these 3 left just to show you how I did it. It's not hard. I think it's a cute way to style your, you know, your braid them get tired, you just zhuzh it up a bit. So alright, I add some accessories on them, so I'm just gonna remove them. I use a couple of these like on the hairs that had the clip thingy. I use those to lock it in after I wrap it back up. And for the hair that didn't have any of the thing, I use my elastic band to just wrap it, which you can't really see, you know, even though the elastic band is black and the hair is what, burgundy. You can't really see. You can't really see. Alright, so let's go. Put it to where you want it, how short where you want it to be. So I wrapped it here, although you can see there honestly a different length. I like it. So we start from here and I as tightly as possible, right? And then I just start wrapping it. That's legit all you're gonna do. It almost feels like you're doing like locks. Just hold it as tight as possible and wrap it around. Although I realized that the braids that kind of have like a thinner feel to it wrap better than the one that I would say is thicker. So anyway, I hold it tight and I just wrap it go. I keep saying that. Just wrap it upwards. Okay, and then for the clip, I just close it around it as tightly as I possibly can. And there it is. So, do I have any clip on this one? Yes. So I'm going to remove the clip and do this one as well. I think I'm definitely after, because I probably wear this hairstyle for about 2 more weeks. I'll probably turn these braids into locks, because I'm honestly not ready to pull out. It's like, I cut my hair recently, which is another tragic story that I'll definitely be sharing with you guys. I went and did the big chop and it was just a disaster. Like I had a complete mental breakdown. And I couldn't even say anything, or I couldn't even turn it to anybody, because when I told my mom, so she was like, why did you sit there and let this man do this to you? Blah blah blah. I was like, do you not see me here hurting? Like, oh, anyways, let me just wrap this again. I'll do that in the next video when I'm going to put in the locks. I'll tell you about that really horrible experience. I had to wait so long for my hair to grow up, just to be able to braid it, because God, oh, thinking about it I feel like crying again. The last one, remove the clip. Yeah, this one is fine. Remember, hold it tightly between your two fingers and then just wrap as closely as possible upwards. Then I just try to hold it together in that, you know, to keep it in place so it doesn't unravel. And believe me, it took me about 3 times, like after 3 times in a row, makes sense, yeah, to finally get the hang of it, because like it kept unraveling on me. And how I came across doing the elastic thing, because she mentioned it in her video, actually in her second video, when she said when she was showing how to do it. But she also used like the some wire clip thingy on hers. I didn't have enough of those. Well, no, I didn't have any of those, so I said, why not use back the clips I already had in my hair, right? And some elastic bands. Why not use what we have, right? So I go fix up my edges. Hope y'all not worried about seeing people bra strap. Okay, so not bad. I had some strings in from my braids, so let's probably find another piece to wrap it in. Maybe over here. There's something about adding these little things to just spice up the hair. I think every braid is either this or the gold one. I want to get some of the leaf thingies eventually. Do I need to do my edges? It's all like they're showing. But this is basically the finished hair, so I'm not going to do my edges, they're not showing. Which, they're growing back, so I'm trying to, you know, they're growing back. It's not as thick as I wish it would be, but they're growing in slowly and surely, so I try not to pressure them. So this is a hairstyle. I absolutely love it. Somebody should take me out just so I can wear it. Well, I have work, so obviously I'll be wearing it out. So guys, that's the finished product. I really do hope you like this video. You'll definitely be seeing more content from me in the future. That is definitely my 2022 goal. Like, I'm gonna start pushing out videos. I've gotten no, I'm not even gonna say lazy. I've had a lot of stuff doing, but I'm definitely going to let my creative side run well, because there is so much stuff in this head, you know, this big ass head. So prepare for more videos. So don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment if you'd like. Any question I'd be willing to answer, because guys, if I can do this, please, I'm sure you can. It's really easy. So until next time.